Hey, Minnie, you sure you take good care of our friends? The worst better than me. What could possibly go wrong? Oh no! I must have hit that track switch!
Beautifully together. Now let's conga!
My guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Natürlich auch alle in Mickenform, ne?
Jetzt ist mir schlecht, weil das so süß war.
Alter, was ist mit Disney los? Was ist eigentlich deren Mission?